Students. Good morning. Good morning. Do you need yesterday's notes? Right. Take screenshot if you need. Take screenshot if anybody needed last class notes. I forgot to give the time for screenshot yesterday, right? Okay, na? Right. Good morning to all. So today, new topic, logarithms. So what you learned regarding the 2D geometry part, it will be helpful. The 2D geometry topic, the basics are very, very important. When you enter the first year, geometry, when we will start, by the time all that it will be useful. Okay, na? So learn very shortly, you will come to college, right? So this is the maybe last topic in bridge course, logarithms. Why? Because from Monday onwards, we have offline classes, right? So that's why this is the last topic. It is also very, very useful in physics, chemistry, as well as mathematics. In mathematics, objective we will use a lot of, and in physics and chemistry also, we will use in somewhere practicals or somewhere problematic chapters where will be there. There it will be useful. So first of all, what we have to know in lower classes, maybe is there or not, I don't know. But logarithms, we have to know about this is the last topic in bridge course. So trigonometry. So trigonometry from basic onwards, we will discuss in PUC. Maybe that is the first chapter, maybe. So from basic onwards, trigonometry is there. So that's why we will discuss briefly. If I started also, it is half of only basics only. That's why no need. In PUC, we will discuss from basic onwards. Understood? And get one neat notes for taking that everything notes na, on Monday. Everyone, okay, we'll start the classes right from Monday onwards. I think they announced in group even maybe. So while coming, you get textbook, even you mark it if outside they may available in the market. You can go and purchase textbooks and notebook also you should bring on Monday. Understood? We'll start classes from Monday onwards. Understood everyone? So when bridge course exam, that they will inform, okay na? They will inform. Sir, we made a unrolled book. Whatever it may be, that is of your convenience. Whether you can write in unrolled or rolled, no problem. That is of your wish. Okay na? All right. Neat books you will provide, sir. That all you ask in the group. Okay na? Not with me. Don't chat like that. All right. Now come to that. Our topic. Lecture 15. Last means last topic. Not lecture. Last lecture. It is the last topic. So logarithms. First of all, what is logarithmic definition? Remember. So definition. for a greater than 0, a not equals to 1, and x belongs to real number. X belongs to real number such that a power x is equals to m. A power x is equals to m. Then x is said to be logarithm of m to the base a. So this is the definition of logarithm for a greater than 0. It should be greater than 0 and not equals to 1. So that a value we have to take, it should be greater than 0 and not equals to 1. And x is, you can take whatever, any real number, such that a power x is equals to m. Then this x is said to be logarithm of m to the base a. So how to denote in the notation wise is logarithm of m to the base a. So therefore standard, this one you remember, a power x is equals to m if and only if, this symbol we are calling if and only if x is equals to logarithm of m, logarithm of nothing but just you can denote with like this log, logarithm of m to the base a. Base means like this we are writing, it is symbolically we can write a power x is equals to m if and only if x is equals to logarithm of m to the base a, or simply log m to the base a, we are calling like that. Suppose if you take any one value, suppose greater than 0 not equals to 1. Suppose if I am writing 2 power 4 is equals to, what will get, 16. So then 4 can be written as, how can you write 4 is equals to logarithm of 16 to the base 2. Suppose 3 power 4 is equals to 81. Then 4 can be written as logarithm of 81 to the base 3. Understood? Next, 4 power 4 is equals to 256. Then 4 can be written as logarithm of 256 to the base 4. 5 power 4 is equals to 625. Then we can written 4 as logarithm of 625 to the base 5. Understood? Like that we can give different examples, but what we have to observe here, a nothing but here it is in a base, so this value should be greater than 0 not equals to 1, and this power should be any real number, you can take power. And right side we are getting, observe what we are getting here, all are positive, so m conditions not given here. So where m is greater than 0, so if you take any one number power raised to some power, you will get always positive only. So conditions here, a conditions are a greater than 0 not equals to 1, x conditions are any real number, m condition or m should be always greater than 0. So logarithmic definition for a greater than 0, a not equals to 1, and x belongs to r nothing but real number, such that a power x is equals to m. Then x is said to be logarithm of m to the base a. So name of that symbol log, okay na, log. Instead of logarithm, just we can represent with log. Remember, so logarithm, always we can't write this total to a lengthy word na, just symbolically we can written as log, logarithm of m to the base a, like that we have to read. Once again, a power x is equals to m, then this x can be written as log m to the base a or logarithm of m to the base a. You can read whatever it may be. Some examples here I given. So 2 power 4 is equals to 16. Then 4 can be written as log 16 to the base 2. 3 power 4 is equals to 81. 4 can be written as log 81 to the base 3. 4 power 4 is equals to 256. Then 4 can be written as log 256 to the base 4. Like that we can write. Understood? Now here once again I am writing definition. If a power x is equals to m, if and only if x can be written as logarithm of m to the base a, correct na? So this is called exponential form, okay na? So when we express in the form of powers, so this is called exponential form, and this one is called logarithmic form. Exponential form and logarithmic form. So now they will ask, suppose conversion, convert exponential form into logarithmic form, convert logarithmic form into exponential form. Suppose when exponential form given means we have to convert means like this into logarithmic form. Suppose logarithmic form given means we have to convert into exponential form means like this. With one example, we have to discuss. Suppose 2 power 10 is equals to 1024. Convert this one into exponential form, so logarithmic form. How to convert into logarithmic form? Nothing but 10 is equals to log 1024 to the base 2. Like that we have to convert. Suppose if the given log x to the base 5 is equals to 2, then convert this one into exponential form. It is logarithmic form given. Now how to convert into exponential form? Nothing but x is equals to, what can you write? Nothing but 5 square. 5 square nothing but x value how much? 25. Understood? One more example. Log x to the base 6 is equals to 1 by 3. Suppose given. Now convert into exponential form. X can be written as 6 power 1 by 3. Like that we have to convert exponential form into logarithmic form, logarithmic form into exponential form. Understood? Now here we have to know formulae. So before going to discuss about this one, we have types of logarithms we have. Okay na? So types of logarithms. So there are two types of logarithms we have. First one is natural logarithms. Natural logarithms. These are already, means auto one more name we have for this one, which are nothing but base E logarithms we are calling, or Napier logarithms. He is the scientist. He only invented. Napier is the scientist. On his name, the name given as Napier logarithms. First one is natural logarithms. Natural logarithms also called as base E logarithms. So base, if you taken as E, such logarithms are called natural logarithms or Napier logarithms. So where E is this one called as exponential constant. Remember, where E is exponential constant and its value approximately 2.75. So E value, how much? Nothing but E. What is E? Nothing but here exponential constant we are calling that one, and that value of E approximately how much? 2.75. If that E taken as base, then that logarithms we are calling as natural logarithms. So how that natural logarithms in the form of nothing but like this, log x to the base E, or log 5 to the base E. So base if you taken as E, then the logarithms are called natural logarithms. So it is in the form, you can write suppose like this, log x to the base E, or log x, or ln x. Ln x is also nothing but log x, or nothing but log x to the base E. So natural logarithms are nothing but base E logarithms. Okay na? So here ln x, it will be rarely we are using in objective side. Okay na? In objective side it will be useful. Ln x nothing but, it is nothing but natural logarithms. So these are natural logarithms are nothing but base E logarithms. What is E? Nothing but here exponential constant. What is the value of E? Approximately, means it is not having exact value, so it having only approximate value only. In PUC second year we'll discuss briefly about E value, how to get that E value. Okay na? So right now just you remember E value approximately how much? Nothing but 2.75. So such E taken as base, then the logarithms we are calling as natural logarithms. Sir, instead of E we can take numbers? No. So we have to take E only the base. Okay na? Right. No, sir, E value is 2.178. No, it is around 2.7 something. Okay na? Right. Next. Second one, common logarithms. So these are also called as base 10 logarithms. So if base considered as a 10, such logarithms are called common logarithms. So here example for base 10 logarithms, suppose log x to the base 10, log 2 to the base 10, etc. So when base considered as a 10, such logarithms are called common logarithms. So it is in the form, it is in the form like this, log x to the base 10. Okay na? So base will be 10, that you remember. Okay na? So these are two types of logarithms. We have natural logarithms and common logarithms. Sir, then we can take e value as 2.75 means it is not exact. That's why written see approximately that is. Okay, na? Sir, write e is in exponential form. Okay, all right. Sir, then we have to take e value as that one only I said na. So e value it is approximately means we cannot take the 2.75 only. It is not exact value na. So that's why. Suppose observe here log x to the base 5 is equals to 2. Suppose given. So x is equals to what can I write nothing but 25. Log x to the base 10 is equals to 10. Then x is equals to 10 power 10. Next, log x is equals to 2. Log x is equals to 2. Then x value we have to find out. So here log x is equals to 2, nothing but x is equals to how much, nothing but e power 2. Why? Because here how much we have the base, nothing but e. So convert into exponential form. Log x to the base e is equals to 2. Then x is equals to e power 2. Like that we have to do in problems how to convert into logarithm to exponential, exponential to logarithm. Okay, now log x is equals to 10 power 1. Where it is 10 power 1. Natural logarithms is not understood. Natural logarithms are nothing but base e logarithms or Napier logarithms we are calling. What is e? Nothing but exponential constant. So what is that constant value? Nothing but it is approximately 2.75. So natural logarithms are in the form of like that. See given log x to the base e or log x or ln x. Ln x denotes nothing but natural logarithms only. Now we'll discuss formulae. What we have the formulae one by one. First one, log m to the base a plus log n to the base a is equals to formula is log mn to the base a. So we have to remember. You can remember with base or without base also. Without base nothing but how to remember log m plus log n is equals to log mn. Remember, with base or without base, you have to remember the formula. How to prove? Okay, na? Proof. Observe. Let x is equals to log m to the base a and y is equals to log n to the base a. So first one considered as x, second one considered as y. Now convert into exponential form. This is logarithmic form na. Convert into exponential form means m is equals to what you'll get nothing but a power x. And this one convert into exponential form nothing but n is equals to what you'll get a power y. So therefore multiply m into n is equals to what you'll get a power x into a power y. Law of exponents already we discussed in the bridge course. A power x into a power y can be written as a power x plus y. So that is nothing but mn. Now it is in exponential form. Now convert this one into logarithmic form. How to write x plus y is equals to how to write log mn to the base a. Correct na? Now x and y replace. X nothing but what we considered log m to the base a. Y what we considered log n to the base a. Therefore formula is log mn to the base a is equals to formula is log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Understood everyone? Sir, we have proof for this formula for syllabus? No. So just how it came, that one only. Just I said na bridge course, right? That's right. Understood? So first formula, log m to the base a plus log n to the base a is equals to log mn to the base a. So without base, we have to remember log m plus log n is equals to log mn. Next, second one, log m to the base n minus, sorry, log m to the base a minus log n to the base a is equals to log m by n to the base a. You can remember without base the formula log m minus log n is equals to log m by n. So like that only, the above proof, how we that proved that first one, right? Like that only. So log m to the base a is equals to x and log n to the base a is equals to y. Convert into exponential form, m is equals to how to write? A power x. Convert into exponential form, n is equals to how to write? A power y. Now divide these two, nothing but therefore m by n is equals to what will get? M by n nothing but a power x by a power y. Law of exponents, already we discussed this one of the law, a power x by a power y. How to write? A power x minus y. So therefore m by n is equals to a power x minus y. Convert into logarithmic form. How to write? X minus y is equals to log m by n to the base a. Now x and y replace. X nothing but log m to the base a, y nothing but log n to the base a. So this is the formula, second formula under logarithms. Log m by n to the base a is equals to formula log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Sir, base is not compulsory. Means you can learn without base also. Okay na? With base, without base, you can learn both. Okay na? Sometimes they will mention the base. Sometimes they won't mention the base. That's why you learn in both the ways. Suppose if they given like this. So log 5 plus log 3. If they given what is log 5 plus log 3? Here base not mentioned na. Log m plus log n, nothing but use the formula. What can you write? Log 15. Suppose they given log 10 minus log 5 given without base. Log 10 minus log 5. Log m minus log n, nothing but log m by n, nothing but what can you write? Log 2. Understood? All right. Sir, this rule is called division rule. Basic number change, sir. Next, third one, log m power n to the base a formula is equals to n into log m to the base a. Important. So you can learn without base even this formula. Log m power n is equals to n into log m. So proof, observe. Let log m power n to the base a is equals to x and log m to the base a is equals to y, if I considered like that. Now this logarithmic form convert into exponential form, nothing but m power n is equals to what will get? a power x, and this one convert into exponential form means a is equals to what you'll get, a power y. So this m value replace here means what you'll get, a power y whole power, what is there, n is equals to what you'll get, a power x, correct na? So therefore we have a logarithm law of exponents, a power m whole power n, nothing but a power m into n is equals to a power x. Bases are same, then powers we can equate. So powers equated, what will get, yn is equals to x, yn is equals to x, understood up? Now y value and x value replace, x nothing but what is that, log m power n to the base a is equals to n into y nothing but log m to the base a. So like that will come this one. One problem observe. Suppose log 5 square is equals to, how to write log 5 square, nothing but 2 into log 5. Log 25 power 4, how to write, nothing but 4 log 25. So log 25 again, how to write, 5 square, nothing but what can I write, 8 log 5. Like that in problems, that formula it will be helpful. Understood? Sir can write without base in exponential form. Without base, how can I write in exponential form? We can't write na. Right. Base compulsory, we should write in exponential form. Next, fourth one, log m to the base n is equals to log m to the base a by log n to the base a. We are calling this one as base separation formula. Okay, now you can learn without base even this one, log m to the base n is equals to, how to write, nothing but log m by log n. It will be helpful a lot in problems. Suppose they given log 10 to the base 2, this one how to write, nothing but log 10 by log 2. So base separation formula we are calling this one, log m to the base n is equals to, how to write, log m to the base a by log n to the base a. Okay na? Still we have the formula without proof. I am giving log 1 with any base, that value how much, nothing but 0. Log 1 with any base. Why? Because simply we can call without base also, log 1 value how much, nothing but 0. So we know a power 0, something power 0, nothing but how much, 1. This one we know base power should be 0. So a power 0 is equals to 1. Convert into exponential form, nothing but how to write, 0 is equals to log 1 to the base a. Like that we'll get log 1 with base a is equals to how much, nothing but 0. Next, so log a with the same base, here these two are same, that value how much, nothing but 1. Remember, suppose log 5 to the base 5, how much means 1. Log 10 to the base 10, nothing but how much, 1. Log e to the base e, nothing but how much, 1. So log a with the same base, that value always how much, 1. So how we know that a power 1 is equals to a, correct na? A power 1 is equals to a only. Now convert into logarithmic form, 1 is equals to, how to write, log a to the base a. So we'll get like this, the formula, log a with the same base, that value is always how much, 1. Next, Seventh one, log m power n to the base p power q is equals to formula n by q log m to the base p. Rare we are using this formula log m power n. This is base log m power n to the base p power q is equals to this powers you separate outside means n by q. Remaining what we have m and p, like this you write down. So n by q log m to the base p. One example, log 2 power 5 to the base 2 power 3 given. Log 2 power 5 to the base 2 power 3. How to write this one? 5 by 3 log 2 to the base 2. So 5 by 3 log 2 with the same base, this value how much? 1. Therefore answer what will get? Nothing but 5 by 3. So like that it will be helpful in problems. Understood? Sir, please give time to take screenshot at the end of the class. Okay, I will give today. Understood? So these are the formulae that you remember. One more. These are the enough. One or two are there that you can't understand this in bridge course. You can learn in second year briefly. Understood? Now, sir, give homework. Proof for seventh formula. How you can do? You will get answer. This one taken as p, sir. This one taken as x, and this one taken as y. You can get some problems. We will do. First question. Solve for x log 225 by log 15 is equals to log x. Now x value we have to find out. Given the question is log 225 by log 15 is equals to log x. Now x value we have to calculate. So we have the formula log m to the base n is equals to log m by log n. Correct now? This formula already just I given. So now this left side log 225 by log 15. How to write? Log 225 to the base 15 is equals to log x. Understood? Next, 225 can be written as 15 square. Na? 15 into 15 is nothing but how much? 225. So is equals to log x. How to write this one? Log 15 square to the base 15. 2 into log 15 to the base 15. Third formula you have to use. Understood? Na? Third formula we have to use. All of you understood? So what is log 15 to the base 15? Both are same. Now therefore what will get this value? Nothing but 2. 2 is equals to what will get? Nothing but log x. 2 is equals to log x. So convert into exponential form. X is equals to what can you write? Nothing but here. What can you write? E power 2 or sometimes suppose 10 square also we can write a mark. So x value what will get? Nothing but 100. So why 10 I considered nothing but, so generally we are using common logarithms only. Even in physics, chemistry, math, Okay, na? What we are using generally, those logarithms are called common logarithms only. So Napier logarithms, rare case we are using. Means natural logarithms, rare case we are using. We are using what are that? Nothing but common logarithms only. That's why base 10 I considered 10 square x value. What will get? Nothing but 100. Okay, na? Sir, everyone, we have to take 10. Explain the last third step. Yes. See here, log 2225 by log 15. According to this formula, what can I write? Log 225 to the base 15. 225, how to write? 15 square. So this one, how to write? It is in the form of log m power n to the base a. Formula, what is that? N log m to the base a. That formula used, you will get like this 2 into log 15 to the base 15. So this one already formula given, now these two are same, means that value how much? 1. Therefore that value what will get? 2. So right side log x. 2 is equals to log x. Then x is equals to what can you write? Nothing but 10 square. X is equals to 100 will get. Understood? So here base not mentioned means that base what we have to take nothing but 10. Why? Because generally we are using common logarithms only in physics, chemistry and maths. Yes, sorry, right. Sir, why you took 10 square? Then exponential form converted means 10 square only will come, right? So 100 will get. Last question. Find x if log x minus 7 to the base 5 is equals to 1. So now x value we have to calculate, given it is log x minus 7 to the base 5 is equals to 1. So now observe, log x minus 7 to the base 5 is equals to 1. Convert into exponential form. Exponential form converted means how to write? X minus 7 is equals to 5 power 1. So x minus 7 is equals to 5 power 1, nothing but 5 only. So x value what will get? 5 plus 7, nothing but how much? 12. Understood? Like that, when they given into logarithmic form, we converted into exponential form. Okay, na? Right, 12. Right, today we, okay, na, you can take a screenshot for today's session. You can leave the students. Right, this is the first page. Second page. Third page. Fourth page. Fifth page. Sixth page. The last page. Sir, all bridge course videos upload the Tungal YouTube channel? No, somewhat. Yesterday's record class, that one WKT means we know that. Okay, na? Right. Okay, students. Thank you.